Here in Jacksonville, we have a vibrant healthcare community here with many facilities, hospitals, and clinics, and there is a need for people to come fill these positions. And we feel it's an optimum opportunity for young Orthodox Jewish physicians and nurses to come and consider Jacksonville perhaps as a place that they can relocate here and enhance their professional career and enhance their family's opportunity as well.
It's a wonderful place to be a physician. It's a wonderful place if you're a patient to go for healthcare. And Jacksonville has become a healthcare hub and a healthcare destination.
Jacksonville is very fortunate to have a very varied and widespread healthcare service industry. There are 2 teaching hospitals in Jacksonville. There's where we're sitting at the moment, the University of Florida College of Medicine, UF Health, and there's the Mayo Clinic on the beaches. And both are very robust academic medical centers providing complex tertiary care for our population. In addition, we have a number of very busy private institutions, most notably the St. Vincent system, which has every sort of tertiary care. We also have the Wolfson Hospital, which is a tertiary pediatric hospital located in the downtown area, and the Baptist system, located both in the north and south of the city. So this city is rich in terms of its medical services and offers every type of specialty that's known to medicine.
Although we have lots of institutions and there's been lots of growth, you still could be a pioneer. There's still room for a lot more growth.
Jacksonville is an outstanding place to come and learn because, first of all, in terms of training, we have 2 centers where one can obtain specialty training in most areas. In terms of then, when you graduate from the training program, finding well-paying jobs, there is a huge amount both in the private and in the public sector.
The salaries for physicians are probably at the same level or better than other major cities in the country.
Jacksonville's a great place to work. Being Shomer Shabbos and Shomer Yontov, the community respects that. The nurses, if I'm working extra on a Friday afternoon, they will actually make sure I get out the door at the time that I wanted to get out the door.
I've been fortunate enough to be part of a program here at UF in anesthesiology where I'm able to work the 6 days of the week and for the 7th day not have to be here in the hospital, with my colleagues helping me out and allowing me to leave early on a Friday night, making it home for the Sabbath.
Our call schedule allows for no calls on Friday evenings and for coming in for call late on Saturday evenings after Shabbat has ended, and we are flexible in giving vacation during the Jewish holidays.
The medical side is wonderful. We have good hospitals, the healthcare providers, and the Jewish side as well complements that with a whole array of services.
I definitely feel that we have everything to fulfill our level of observance.
Well, here in Jacksonville, we feel that there's a very solid infrastructure in place of a kehillah, of a Jewish community, specifically an Orthodox Jewish community that really has most, if not all, the needs for a young Jewish family today.
Jacksonville has as much as any city to offer in terms of services for Orthodox Jews.
The quality of life here is great for the Orthodox community. We're a small shul, we're a small Orthodox community, but because of that, we're very much a family.
And there's a wide variety of types of houses and costs of houses within the area of and in walking distance of the synagogues that would allow for any pocket, be it a resident physician in training or someone who has a more developed career and wants a larger house. There is a huge variety of houses within the Eruv.
It's great living down here. We have the beaches that are close. The weather's great.
There's a lot of tolerance for different religions here. I know it's the South, but we feel very comfortable walking to temple on the Sabbath. There's a lot of tolerance to different religions and respect to all different religions.
And so there has been no problem whatsoever in terms of functioning as an Orthodox Jew in the Jacksonville community.
For me, it was a perfect combination. I'm able to have a family of 5, a thriving family, very happy, at the same time really pursue my dream and my goal in my career as a physician.
What we think is very compelling over here is that young Jewish physicians and nurses, but not necessarily young, people in that healthcare field, that there seems to be a great opportunity here in Jacksonville that can be attractive to them and their families, both in their professional career and something that they can be attracted to in the Jewish community as well. And we think it can be a win-win for everybody.